Hello, my name is Christopher Salia Mave, and I am from Plan International. And at this moment, I want to take this opportunity to welcome you all to this water safety for drinking training workshop. And I'm very sure that you will learn a lot today about this particular topic, and it will help you in your environment, in your community, and even in your homes. So I want you to really pay attention while we go through this workshop. Um, Today we want us to look at the water safety for drinking. So firstly, I would like us to know what water safety for drinking is. It refers to that drinking water from unsafe sources can be made safe for drinking by boiling or by using chlorine. Bringing water to a boiling and allow it to boil for 2 minutes to kill diseases causing germs. So here today we are going to learn that you can get water and maybe you can think it is safe, but depending on the environment it can be unsafe. But when you bring it to your home, I encourage you to boil it, and by boiling it you allow it like for 2 minutes. If you find out that it's very difficult for you to boil, you can also use chlorine, which can make the water pure, and as we said, it can kill the diseases that could cause germs. Now, let's talk about the safety methods. We have so many safety methods, but today I only selected few so that we can focus on them, and when you go home, I will encourage you to continue and find out more safety methods that can help you. One of the one I choose is boiling. Boiling water is the cheapest and safest method of water purification, and it's very true because this is found within our community. We don't need much instrument. We only need the container where we can pour the water and boil it. So it is the cheapest and safest method of water purification, and I encourage you to apply this method as well. Two, we look at filtration. When we talk about filtration, this is the process wherein you allow the dirt that are under the water to remain on top of an instrument that you use to filter the water. And we talk about filtration is one of the effective ways of purifying water, and when using the right multimedia filters, it's effective in reading water off the compounds. We also look at distillation. What does it mean? Say this is a water purification method that utilizes heat to collect pure water in the paper. And this one I'm coming to talk about, we call it chlorination. This one we use chlorine to purify our water. You can look at the picture that is at the back of the writing. You will see dropping the chlorine in the water, which can purify it. So chlorine is a powerful chemical that has been in use for many years to treat water for consumption. Chlorine is not only introduced to us today or in this workshop, it has been in use for so many years, and I encourage you to continue using it as it helps you to purify the water and make it safe and clean. Not only safe, it also makes it very clean and pure for you to drink. And now, just give me small time. Let us discuss why is it important to drink a safe and clean water. We look at bullet point 1, we say balancing your bodily fluids. Water is an important tool or an instrument that is used in regulating and bringing out a series of vital processes within the body. Water is very much important. It has a very big role that it plays in our system. It helps to bring out a lot of sicknesses that we have within the system as we take in enough water. That is the reason why doctors and nurses always encourage us to drink more water, especially when you take some of the complaints to them. Encourage you to take more water. And we look at bullet point 2, increasing your energy level. Water is not just a thirsty quencher. It also plays a crucial role in providing energy for muscles contractions. So we are not only taking water because we feel like the water is good for drinking or I'm thirsty, but the water plays a very big role in our system and even building up our muscles and giving us energy to do more. Finally, we talk about maintaining kidney functions. We know how important the kidney is in our system. Without it, we will not survive. And many people have passed on because of kidney breakdown. And today I want to encourage you to be drinking more water. Why? Because your kidney are essentially a pair of filters which work to remove toxins from your body through urine extractions. To work properly, your kidneys need water. Just like I was saying, for the kidney to be able to work properly, your kidney needs not only water but a clean and pure water. And I'm very sure that this workshop will bring you a very good blessing, especially the things that you learn to do, how to treat your water, and how can you help to purify your water. And for more information, I will encourage you to check on the website and the page link that will give you for more information on Plan International as they give out their information on safety about our pure drinking water. Thank you very much for giving me your time. And once more, I am this Salia Mabed, your facilitator for this time. Thank you.